Is the gift center app really an easy way to earn money and gift cards as it claims on its landing page, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many viewers have recently asked me about this app, so I decided to take a closer look, and in this gift center app review I'll give you an inside look and show my opinion about it, my experiences, and then you can decide for yourself whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join, and Gift Center app is, from what I can see, available in more or less all countries. It is, however, only available on Android devices. If you have an iOS device and want to earn, I have a video about options where you can do this. I'll leave a link in the top corner here. But before you download it, even if you have an Android device, there are some very important things you need to consider. So let me now log in, and then I'll show you exactly how it works and both the pros and the cons, so you can find out if you should download it or not. So I have now logged into the Gift Center app, and the design is a little bit outdated in my opinion compared to many other apps I've tested, and the usability is also a little bit confusing. You can just scroll around here on the home center here. That's where you can find the different earning opportunities. So you can see there's for example different tasks here, and this is where you can find offer walls. So if you're used to using get paid to sites or apps, then this will basically be the same. This is where you can find these different offers where you can download other apps, sign up for different platforms, free trials, or here you can find paid surveys. And overall it has a decent amount of these legit tasks to do, but the rewards are just not quite as high as on many other platforms that I have tested. So that's just one thing to be aware of, but it does definitely have a decent amount, but you will get paid in these gold coins as you can see there. So it looks like you might get a lot for some of these tasks here because it's a lot of coins, but we need to of course look into the value of these coins, so we will do that later. But you can see there are many different ways to earn here. But one thing I, for example, don't like is that, for example, now you can see there's just this pop-up here with a new survey available. So, and these pop-ups keep coming up. It's actually quite disturbing for the usability, in my personal opinion. Something I don't really usually see, and it also looks like something, I don't know, like the graphics of it is just weird. But anyways, that's just my opinion. Let's look a little bit more into other ways where you can earn here. So another thing that I paid attention to here is that they say they have this limited bonus where you can share and earn up to $5,000, which of course sounds amazing. So let's look what that actually means. And here you can see that what it is basically a referral program. You will get an invitation link and then you can share it with others, and then they say you can earn up to $5,000. And if that was the case, that would be the most generous referral program that I have ever seen out of the hundreds of different platforms that I've tested. But what is confusing here is that you see here that they say that then you promote it on social media and you send your video or post your link here. So it's not just to share the link there, you actually need to also make a promotion of them on social media and then share the link here. And then you will get a certain amount of gold coins there depending on this, they say the interaction rate there. But this is very confusing because there are no clear rules or guidelines. What will you get for making these promotions? What will you get for inviting others? Usually referral programs are very easy to understand. You have a link. If you invite others, you'll get a certain percentage, you'll get a certain amount when they have done certain number of tasks. It's very easy to understand, you know exactly what to expect. But here, you have no idea what you can expect. They just say you can earn up to $5,000. But is that even realistic? Probably not, especially not here if we now look at the latest bonuses that they have paid out to people. Because you can see here, 1 coin, 20 coins. Here, for example, 7 coins, 20. So the highest that they have paid out now here within the last hours here has been 20 coins. So let's go over the value of this when we also talk about the payout options, so you can see that this $5,000 really do not seem realistic. So if you go to the shop, this is where you can see the payout option. So we can, for example, go to PayPal, and you can see here that I would need 12,000 gold coins to get $5. So that means 2,400 gold coins will be $1. And you can see some of these promotions where you say you can earn up to $5,000. They got 20 coins, but you need 2,400 coins to earn just $1. That also means that both the offers, the different other ways they have here to earn, you can see they have these lucky wheel, scratch card, all these different things here. They in general just pay very, very low. So I'm not saying you cannot get paid. I'm just saying that the value you get for your time here is just not very good compared to many other reward apps. And then personally, I don't like this, in my opinion, a lack of transparency when it comes to referral programs, because it gives you a kind of fake idea of how much you can earn, and kind of pushes people to go out and promote it because they think they can earn up to $5,000. But you could see the last few hours, the maximum they had paid out were like not even a few cents, right? So yeah, I just don't like that. Like, things like that should just be completely transparent. So overall, the usability here is just not good enough, in my opinion, compared to many other reward apps. So to sum it all up, Gift Center app can be a way to earn a bit extra, but there are just many other better apps that are more user-friendly and where you get better value for your time, in my personal opinion and experience. If you have other opinions, other experiences, feel free to share them below. This is just my personal opinion, and it's based on my experiences after having tested hundreds of different ways to earn online. So personally, I would just prefer using other reward apps instead, and I do have a list of my top recommended reward apps on my website. I will leave a link to that below so you can check that out if you're interested in those. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and a lot of you have asked about it. So if it did help you, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.